Do you like that opening number? Palapakan po natin ang ating mga dancers. They really deserve a round of applause. Picture, picture. Grabe yung ano natin, yung sound effects natin ng music, no? Yung palakpak. Parang nakaka-Araneta Coliseum. Pero imagine, we are just probably like 100. Ilan ba head count natin? So how many we have here for tonight? But anyway, it's not really important. But the important is the spirit, the energy that you are giving to us. Maraming pong salamat. You also deserve a round of applause for that. Even though it's -10 outside, it feels 100 degrees Celsius. I'm sorry, I'm from United States, so we use Fahrenheit there, so I don't know how to convert it. But anyway, originally from the Philippines, so more or less mga 30 degrees Celsius. This is how I feel right now because of the energy, the warmth that you are giving to me. Maraming salamat po. All right. Okay.